In 1932, Australia actually sent soldiers to fight birds, and unbelievably, the birds won. After World War I, Australian veterans were given farmland in the harsh outback, but soon, around 20,000 giant emus began invading their wheat fields. They trampled crops, destroyed fences, and pushed struggling farmers closer to ruin during the Great Depression. Desperate for help, the government did something shocking. They deployed real soldiers with machine guns. The plan sounded simple: drive toward the flocks and open fire. But the emus were fast. They split into small groups, ran at incredible speeds, and even caused the army's guns to jam in the dust and heat. One soldier later said fighting emus felt like battling a strange guerrilla army. After thousands of bullets, only a few hundred birds were stopped. The mission was abandoned. And history recorded a bizarre truth. Australia had just fought a war and effectively lost to emus. Subscribe to Deep Century for more unbelievable true stories.